Hello, in this tutorial I'll walk you through the Binance affiliate marketing program. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Binance account, which of course is right here. Because this is a beginner's tutorial, I don't want to assume that you know how to create an account on Binance. So I'm definitely going to walk you through the process so you can get acquainted with the steps. So you can launch any browser of your choice to access Binance. That's the perk. Right here I'm using Chrome. Now check the top corner of your browser. You're going to find the search bar, then type binance.com. It's going to take you to the official website. Now follow through with the on-screen steps and processes to create an account. The process is self-explanatory, so you have absolutely nothing to worry about. But once you follow through with the steps, you've verified your account and it has been created successfully, it's going to take you to this customized dashboard of yours, where you can now explore a lot of features to have a great time on Binance. As you can see, this is my dashboard, and this has a very unique interface, user interface, I mean. And then you can definitely, explore as much as you can, learn more about Binance, and see all you can do to get started trading cryptocurrencies on Binance. So here we are. Let's hop into today's text. How can we earn money on Binance? There are two ways to actually go about that. One is using the Binance affiliate marketing program. The next is the referral program that was created. And they said it's new, so that's like a subsidiary for the affiliate program. So check the top right corner of your screen. You're going to see a few icons right here. You're going to see this, you're going to see this, you're going to see this. Awesome. So head over to this where you have like your profile icon right there. You're going to see an extended menu, dashboard, so security, identification, referral, and then you're going to see new user zone and reward hubs, API management, logout. So the referral says new, so it's a new feature that can allow people earn money if they don't want to go through the affiliate marketing program. All right, so head over to referral. Now here you go. So here it says light referral, and then here it says standard referral. Okay, so in the light referral, let me head over to the light referral. Okay, first let's head over to standard referral. Let's see what it looks like. So it says refer friends and crypto together, and then earn up to 40% commission on every trade across Binance spot, futures, and pro. Now it says you're gonna receive 20% of any, and then this is your friends receive 0%. So once you're able to refer a friend and then they make transactions using Binance, you're gonna get this 40% commission on every trade across it. So if you refer a friend and your friend, trades across Binance spot, futures, and pool, you're gonna get 40% commission using the standard referral. So now it says you're going to receive 20% and your friend 0%, all right, for just referring a friend. It's not like they're going to make a transaction or something. So here's a referral ID. Go ahead and click on this to copy. So once you click on this copy icon, you're going to copy it, and then on this the referral link, you're going to have to copy it. And then once you copy, go ahead and click on invite friends. And this is invite friends looking to get started with crypto. So this is it. This is the process here. You can invite using any of the social media links here. This is Twitter, this is Facebook, this is Telegram, and I don't know what that is. And this is WhatsApp, and this is your link if you want to copy, and then this is just download. So go through all of these processes to invite your friends, and once they get on, you're going to actually earn 20% just as it is written here. So this is really one fantastic way that you can earn money using Binance. Now you can go ahead and click on view referral rules for you to view all of the rules that governs this. But then I think this has just been much a good deal. Just share your referral link and get people on. Once they get on, you get 20%, and once they start trading, you get 40% commission. That's wow. Okay. So scroll all the way down. This is where you get your earnings. This is where you see your earnings. So these are your referrals if anyone comes on, and these are your earnings. You see zero BTC right now because I have not referred anybody, but then you're gonna see your earnings here, and then commission, rebate, shared commission, and all of these things. This is how you can definitely manage all the payments that come from your referrals. All right, so scroll all the way down, you're gonna see commission rebate, as you can see, shared commission, and all of those things that we have seen. So that's all about the referral. That's how you can make 20%, and you can make up to 40% using the referral program. I like to say it's a program because it's new, or the new referral system. So you can earn using that. And then the next way is the affiliate marketing program itself on Binance. So let's go ahead and click on this join now button. Now it says recommend Binance to your audience and earn up to 50% of referral commission on every qualified trade. Now this 50% is for life. As you can see, the other one said 20% and then it said up to 40%. But then if you join the affiliate marketing program, you can now earn more. So that's pretty much the difference. Are you going to actually get your tracking link on Binance? You're definitely going to get it, but then you get to earn more, up to 50% of your referral commission on any qualified trade for as long as possible. This is a lifetime commission, so this is pretty much it. I think this is what you like to jump into. But then the process of getting into the Binance affiliate program is quite tedious because you have to fill out a lot of details, and then you're gonna have to wait until you're qualified or you're verified to join the affiliate marketing program. And I'm going to walk you through the steps to see if it is worth it. So I'm scrolling all the way down and you're seeing how to join the Binance affiliate program. So this is it, how to apply and start earning. You're going to have to visit the Binance affiliate website, which we're going to go into shortly. So what is the Binance affiliate program? So this is it. It lets you share unique referral link with audiences to earn up to 50% commission on every qualified trade. And then you see all of these. How do I start earning? So this is it. You become a Binance affiliate and then submit your application, of course, which we're going to do. Create and share your referral links, which is going to be created right there once you have created your account as a Binance affiliate marketer. And then it says create your referral link, and then you share, and then sit back and relax and earn commission. So when someone signs up a Binance account with your referral link, you can earn up to 50% commission every time they complete a trade. So how do you qualify to become a Binance affiliate? Here are those individuals with 5,000 plus followers or subscribers. If you are one of this, then that's fine. And then the crypto communities, business and organizations, and then go over and click on what are the benefits. So here are all of the benefits that you can use. So let's see how we can create an account. So go ahead and click on this Binance affiliate website, and it's going to take you to the affiliate marketing website itself, where you can now join to become an affiliate. So go ahead and click on become an affiliate. So here opens up this window so that you can now start creating an account to become an affiliate. Okay, so this is it. Now it says we believe you can exchange the world for the better with Bitcoins and all this. So here you go. You're gonna have to add your language. Which language do you speak? And then what country are you based in? Add that, and then your name, and then your email, and then your phone number. Add all of that. And then how do we contact you through social media? Click that to see any of the platforms, and then your username. You're gonna add the username on the social media that you like them to contact you, or the social media page that you would like to promote Binance on. And then what country or region do you plan to market in? Click on this drop down menu and select your country, and then scroll the way down. What type of affiliate marketer are you? You're gonna have to put that at a spot affiliate, features affiliate, or both, and then select your affiliate type. Are you crypto influencer, individual crypto institution as an organization, or a social influencer, or a non-crypto institution and organization? Put that out. And that this is please share a brief introduction about yourself. You're gonna have to type that, or your community, and then primary platform or channel for promoting. Click on this drop down menu and select which primary platform you like to use, and then platform URL, the platform that you chose here. Enter the URL so that they'll be able to access it when they're verifying. And then how many followers, members, users do you have on the primary platform? Put that out. Remember to say the minimum is 5,000 followers. I don't have an account with 5,000 followers, but if you do, just put that out. And that screenshot of performance metrics on your platform, you're gonna put this. And then as you can see, there is no red sign, so I think this is not necessary. And then what kind of content do you create in your platform for your community? Click on that, and then select any of this option, so click other if you don't see the option there. Then is there anything else you would like to share? Put that out if you have, and then by submitting this application, I acknowledge to have read and agree to the Binance Affiliate program standard terms and conditions. So click on yes if you've agreed, then I click on submit. And once you have submitted, then Binance is definitely going to review your application, and once you have been verified, then that's it. They're going to get you back into the program. They get you into the program actually. And so once you get into the program, then you'll be able to find your tracking link or your referral link. So once you share it to people and then they make transactions on Binance, once they've made qualified transactions, you'll now be able to get your 50% on any transaction made. That's how you can now sit back, relax, and make a lot of money using the Binance Affiliate program. So you can either use the referral option, the referral program, or directly the affiliate marketing platform. You can go watch the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.